What's going on YouTube? Ty with the xking.com. Hit you with another investing video. In my videos, I talked about how to make money online, how to save money, how to cut your cable bills in half, how to live a better life, and how to use these apps, which we all should be using, and investing in the stock market. I'm thinking about downloading Stash as well. It is $1 a month, but I might do a video about that. But anyway, this is Robinhood, and I downloaded Robinhood 3 or 4 days ago, and I just started with Robinhood. Okay, so I just started with Robinhood. Don't know much about Robinhood as well, but I know you could buy and sell stocks, full price. There's no ETFs here. It's all full price. So Amazon is what Apple is $195, which is not bad. That's a cheap stock. I mean, you think about it, the past 5 years, it's always trended up. But that's not a bad price. See, a month from here, it's up $19. So, and it pays a dividend. So, you gotta buy the whole share. You can't buy fractional shares. You gotta buy the whole thing, whole $195. Cryptocurrency is, look how much it costs for crypto, like $4,000. Damn near five was going up 5,000 for crypto, and it's down. So it's cheaper now. Yesterday it was like 5K. Anyway, I bought some shares here. I bought some shares that I'm used to, that I know. I bought Ford share, which is really cheap right now. It went down the past 5 years, but a year it's trending up a little bit. Ford is a good company. Ford will always sell. So I bought a Ford share. I'm gonna buy some more Ford shares just to have that share and hold on to it. It pays a really high dividend as well. I saw a dividend, like, wow, that's a whole lot of dividend. But when I get paid again, I might buy some more Ford. And here is this is a REIT as well. I bought this because it was really, really cheap. I paid $1.50 for it for one share, which is really cheap. I believe it'll go up. It's down now, but it don't want to stay down forever. It's gonna go up. So when it's low like this, I like buying when everything is cheap. These are not expensive stocks. I bought Groupon. Groupon. I mean, I use Groupon. My wife used Groupon. We know people who use Groupon, so I bought the Groupon stock. It was $3.50. I'm like, why not buy one? In the past 5 years, I'm seeing more and more commercials on Groupons on YouTube. So I'm like, well, maybe they come around soon. So I bought some Groupons. This was a free stock for, I believe, signing up with Robinhood. And use my code, I think I'll have a affiliate link below the video if you want to use that as well. I bought this Comstock Mining. I believe it's a mining company. I bought it because it was really cheap. It was only 20 cents. I'm like, it was only 20 cents. I could hold on to it for a while. There's no dividends yield. I only got 20 cents, but yeah. So I bought that. All I got is a few, and I'm gonna buy more stocks. I want to buy Wendy's. I eat Wendy's sometimes, and dividends yield ain't bad. It's not bad. I think Wendy's will go up. It's all green, so Wendy's would be a good thing to get. I will go ahead and get Wendy's. Fitbit, is really, really cheap now. And I want to buy that. I want to buy this because Fitbit is going to go up. I believe it will. This is Nokia. Nokia has been, not the front full. Back in the day, Nokia was really good for smartphones and, those, phones that wasn't a smartphone. But now I think I believe that they'll make a come around soon because they're a good brand. So yeah, I'm just look through and see Starbucks is really cost a lot of money, but the yield is 2.21. So I'm gonna buy the Wendy's stock just to have it. Bank of America. Bank of America is not bad, but You know, you gotta buy full shares. I say go ahead. Robinhood's free, so I will go ahead and try the Robinhood app. Just look through it, see the stocks that you want to get. I'm interested in Wendy's. I might buy it today because I want it. Because I look at the trends, and there's no down year. It really is at a high year right now. It's at a high. It's up 22 cents today. For the month, it's up 91 cents. For 3 months, up $2.51. So, if I held this for a year, I'm like $1.29. But I think Wendy's will be around for a long time. I think it's a good company. It's been around forever. It's an old company. I like old companies. So I know this works. The worst case scenario, I'll sell it and make 22 cents. You know what I mean? That's the worst case scenario. I buy it for 20 and sell it for 25. Worst case scenario. So that's what it is. So for the month it's 91 cents. From the past it's up 5.26%. So it's up. It's going up. But Wendy's is a major food chain across America, so I think this thing will go skyrocketing. So, that's it for Robinhood. I just started Robinhood, and you want more information about Robinhood, where you need to set it up, how hard was it? Let me know below the video. I'll help you out as much as I can. TySwinXKing.com. Thanks for watching.